everyone, this is Scott Leroy coming in for another weekly tip, and today's tip is how to best utilize our services as a brand new agent. So if you're a new agent, a couple things that I may highly suggest starting with. First and foremost, this is the scottleroymarketing.com website, and you'll want to sign in to our website with your Market Center number. So I'm currently logged in right now, but once you click on the login section on the right-hand side, this is where you can sign in with that Market Center number. And that's going to give you access to everything under the Agent Resources section. Now, as a brand new agent, I normally suggest two things to begin immediately. So number one, maybe actually getting taken care of by your office, so double check with them. But the first thing on here is the questionnaire section. This will help us to get you fully up and running with all of your different KDB technology right from the get-go. So once again, the reason I said to double check with the office is they might be filling it out for you, or you might have done this during the onboarding implementation process. Now the questionnaire on here will typically be the new agent questionnaire you'll want to focus on, and this is going to ask a couple of additional questions on here for us to get all of your information ready to go, so we can give you a white glove experience when you first join KW. And once that is completed, you'll then receive a nice little email that's going to come over looking very similar to this one that'll have all of your info on file of everything that has been set up. So that is the first thing that I suggest doing, is going through that agent resources questionnaire section to fill out that new agent questionnaire. So this way, once you first sign into Command for your first time, you're going to have everything already completed for you. Your website, your profile, your app, your DocuSign account, anything and everything you might need in the back end of designs, all the different headshots, logos, contact information, whatever it might be. Now the next thing I would highly suggest is to come to our training class that happens every other Monday. So you can find our live webinar link on here to access the live training classes happening every Monday through Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 12 p.m. Central, so on and so forth. So make sure you're coming at the proper time zone. But under our training section, we have our training calendar option on here. This is where you can actually view all of our training classes that are happening for the month or for the upcoming week, today, the upcoming month potentially as well. And this is where you can see those Monday courses that are happening, either the What Can SLM Do For You class or the Command Overview. So I would highly suggest for the next 2 weeks taking those classes on that Monday, whether it's the What Can SLM Do For You class first or the Command Overview, depending on when you onboard. The Command Overview class is going to help you to learn more about what all is accessible through Command, what all do we help you to get up and running, and how you can utilize everything possible. So this is going to give you that high-level overview of, now that you have everything set up for you, where is it, what does it do, how do I take advantage of it? Alright, the What Can SLM Do For You class is going to be a deep dive into everything that's available for you to use for free from your office that's all accessible on our website and beyond. Alright, so this is going to help out just to give a better understanding as to who we are and how we can help you out even more. Now, if you can't make it to those classes, we do record everything. So under the recorded training classes, or if you want to jumpstart this a little bit faster than waiting for those Mondays for the live version, we do have our Command Overview class under our recorded training classes accessible on here, along with our SLM Overview class as well too, so you can find the most recent courses immediately. Alright, now once you've taken those two classes and once you've gone through our questionnaire section, then really the sky's the limit. If you want to jump into the agent support section to see other items we can do for you, if you want to take other training courses on here, if you want to jump into our marketing support section to view some of our different pieces or our concierge platform, or even, us being able to create a newsletter or create a blog for you each month, that is all accessible. Alright, and then of course, if you ever have any questions, at the bottom of every page is our contact info as well too, so you can reach out with any issues, questions, or concerns on here immediately. Alright, so as a brand new agent, that is what I would suggest doing right away. So once again, I would first and foremost suggest going through and filling out our questionnaire. Now, just a reminder, make sure you double check with your office to see if they are filling this out for you or if they're using a different platform to fill this out instead before you double do any of the work on here or double duplicate something. I would then either come to the live webinar classes for the following 2 Mondays to learn more about who we are and how you can utilize the Command platform, or if you want to get a jump start on it, you can check the recorded training classes for those classes right away, and then really dive into anything and everything, whether it's the training side, whether it's our support side, our marketing side, how we can help out with everything possible. Alright, so it's definitely like drinking from a fire hose when you first join on, but we're here to help to make your life that much easier. So hopefully this helped to give you an idea of, as a new agent, what you should do right away to get started. And if you ever need anything, please feel free to reach out to us. But I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.